Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet with XEmpire bot, and the tutorial will be quick and simple, so just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on XEmpire, once you have logged in, go ahead and click on the menu bar right there at the top right corner. From here you will see an option airdrop, so you want to click on it, and as you can see you can connect your wallet here, so you want to go ahead and click on it. Now you will have an option to choose Tonkeeper, Ton Wallet, Ton Hub, and there's also Telegram wallet if you want to use it, Bitget, ByBit, OKX, and so on and so forth. So for today, I'm just going to use Tonkeeper. Click yes, and now click Connect Wallet. And now here it is. Now you can go ahead and send a transaction. If you already sent it, go to quests and check the action. But if you didn't, then just leave it like so. So that's basically it. Your wallet is now connected and you can wait for the airdrop to withdraw the funds. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.